Okay guys, Carney and Carney with this MTX speaker repair guys. Let's see. Yes, MTX audio. And I don't remember if it's a part one or part two video this guys. I don't know if I did one before. But this one it doesn't tell me which one is it. But you will see that in the description guys, which one is it, you know. So I'm not gonna say part one or part two of this video because I don't remember if I did make a video before for this. So now guys, I really go ahead and I started working on it, and then because I didn't have enough time, so I wasn't going to make a video. Then I said no, I'm just gonna make a video. It's been a while since I made a video guys because I'm so busy guys, so you know. So that's why I started. So now for now guys, I'm gonna do the tensor lead here. I put the voice coil in, I just tack it, I didn't glue it, I glue the back with some crazy CA glue guys. Yes, the back here and here I tack it here a little with some CA glue just to keep the voice coil in, you know, in place, you know, and centered and stuff. And I also have the shim inside, you know, centered it, so I have it in place. So yes, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to start the tensor lead guys to the voice coil, wire up the voice coil, and then you know, then we go from there. I'm going to take it back out to show you guys, you know, what I did before off camera, you know. Yeah, so this doesn't have a lot of flux on it to, but it's an aluminum wire. The voice coil is aluminum, but I have a little flux here. Let me see if it will work. Some liquid flux, which I hope. Let's see if that helps. Let's help a bit. Yeah, it does help. But I didn't want it this thick guys, but I did. That's the way I get it, so I have to just work with it guys. It's liquid flux, but it do the work. Do the job guys, it do the job. You put some right here, right here too. Wow. Something is not going on right here guys. I'm not getting this one to do what it's supposed to do, but yeah, just make it some here. So the other side. Yes. I'm gonna build up here. Come on. Yep, like that. It's not easy to solder guys. I don't know why this thing is doing such a fight guys, but I'm going to get it. Goodness. Yeah, I got that one. But here now, just sorting, guys. Right. And that's it, guys, for this share or for these stencil lead. Let me use a razor. These were hard, guys, believe me. It's a long time I didn't. This guys, aluminum. As I told you two guys about the fanciness of this look, guys. So this, you just push them right here and you screw the screws onto the tensor lead. Yeah, you don't have to solder them. So, you know, that's a fancy thing. With this MTX here, guys, yeah, really fancy. So let me test the homes here, guys. Let's see if I'm getting it. This is supposed to be a dual 4 homes. Yeah, so, wow. A lot. Oh, sorry guys about that glare in it, guys. But okay, jeez. I can't even handle this, so I can't get that little glare in it, man, guys. That's for sure. Look at that. Wow, that's crazy. Ay, ay, ay. See that, guys? 4 and 4. Okay. So yes, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna use this, guys. This glue right here. It's a Gorilla glue right here. That's what I'm gonna use this for inside here. Yeah. You don't have to go CA glue, guys. You don't have to go that crazy. Alright, so guys, what I'm going to do with this, I'm gonna rough up around here a little bit too smooth. Yeah, a little bit too smooth, guys. I'm gonna rough it up a bit. You could scrape it with sandpaper here, guys. I forgot to do that earlier or something, but I'm not using sandpaper, guys. I'm using this to make some little. Yeah, not push it through the. Don't go too crazy. Poke out to the other side. Yeah, you could do that because this dry really fast. The way I'm going to do it is gonna dry fast, guys. There's a secret of mixing this thing. Yep. Yeah, guys, there's a way we used to mix it in Jamaica, guys. Like, if you mix it long enough for it to turn really white, this thing will dry so hard and dry really fast. Yes. But for now, I'm just going to break this off, guys, right here. Look at that already. I'm gonna break this little thing out from the middle, which is you should use this to mix it here, guys, but not going to use this little thing. Yeah, this don't have any use to me right now, guys. Yeah. So I'm just gonna, see, guys, dish out all of it, guys, and then I go ahead and mix it, guys. So you see, careful. Keep it in the middle, guys, because it's running. It won't stay one place, guys. There's a little way I'm going to show you guys. You could do it if you want to, but yeah. So the longer you take mixing it, guys, when you apply it, the quicker it dries. Because, you know, yes, guys, and this, as I told you, is a way you could apply this. Look, you could do it like this, and you could bend this. You could go like this, and you go around the speaker like that, guys. You go right around, slowly but surely. Like that. You go right around, guys, right around. All right, you can stop right there. You get this up, guys. Some part won't be runny. Gonna stop run after a while. Yeah, see. Yep, yep. Gotta go right around that voice card, guys. Make sure you don't let any go down between the voice coil. Yeah, that's a bad thing. There's a little part there where something's coming out. That's good. If there was a crack there, now this is gonna fill it up. Ah, yeah. There was a crack on this cone. Yeah. So it's good that the glue come through right there. Very, very good. I like that. Because I told you, I wish I have a little camera, guys, you know. Yeah. So I told you guys, yeah. Once you have something limited on something like this piece of paper that I just used, guys, yes, you could just scoop it, just make out, you know, and put it to this here and you go right around, guys. But you know, for now it's good. You could see it's really curing fast. You see that it's clean and nice, guys. Yeah. Yep, yep, yep. Nice and clean. Alright, some of this is coming out and what should I do? You know? I want it to go around this side here. Go right around the cone. Yeah, right around. Yep. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, that looks good. So this guys is gonna cure for a while, so in a minute I'll be back with you in a minute, guys. Okay, guys, remember I said I didn't know what MTX this is? It was right here all along, guys. It's Thunder. See that, guys? I was lying, guys. It's Thunder 9500, 9500. So that's MTX Thunder 9500, guys. It's right there, guys. As you can see. Funny. Yeah, they have crack here, but guys, they do something here, man. This thing can't come up, so I just leave it there, just making sure it's stable. But for here, maybe I clean up this up and we glue it somehow, but it's solid, so looking good. But for now, yeah, the epoxy setting, guys, is gonna take some time, believe me. Oh man. So guys, what I'm going to do now, I think I'm gonna have to stop the video, let this cure for a while, yes, before I mess with it again, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna let it cure for a while, guys. Yeah, because I didn't glue this as yet. I'm gonna show you what I'm going to glue this. So I'm gonna have to make two videos, guys, which I didn't want to do because I don't want to pause the video too long, guys. But yeah, yeah. I want this to cure before I take it from here. Yes, guys. So yeah, so it's best for me to make 15 minutes video and just call it a day, guys, and then see it goes from there. Alright, guys. So please stay tuned, guys, for part two of this video, or part three, guys, because that is why I don't like a lot of times, guys, when I'm doing subwoofer, because I have to wait for the glue to set, yes, and stuff like that, yes. But yeah, I didn't want this video to draw out that much, but yeah, it is, guys, what it is. I know you guys want to see what's going on. So after I do that, I show you the inside of this, so it's set up and everything, guys, and stuff, yeah. Because I'm gonna have to remove the cone again once the voice coil is set. I'm gonna remove the whole coning and then show you inside and stuff like that, and who I set it and all that kind of stuff. So guys, stay tuned for part two, guys. Coming up shortly, part three. Not sure which one, but please stay tuned, guys. Enough respect.